for a good reason and purpose, y'all. Let's see the fireworks, bro. And watch the Juneteenth fireworks, y'all. This is good footage, y'all. Hi, little. Yo, chat, how would you rate the fireworks? Yo, chat, it's like bombs going off. Like,
But you were like, nah, we never brought Stitch. No.
this one, I get a little down angle because they're going right here. Nice explosion, though. These nice Juneteenth fireworks, they're pretty nice, yo. Yeah, look at some good footage here, like I said again. I'm gonna have to make a part 2 to someone who in my video. You guys see the fireworks?
Why is my
I turned my flash off. Oh, that's a big one, chat. That's a big one. Maybe I'll do a live stream with like Arsenal or something. I don't know. Maybe soon. Depends. You'll see the smoke coming through. There's a drone over there. I'll see it. There's a drone. I missed a shot. Oh, that's a beautiful shot, chat. Nice orange color. We got multiple fires. It's like bombs, bro. It was like 40% or something like that. Like 49%. According to like the battery. I've been busy recently, like storms and stuff like that. Do you want to see the Juneteenth fireworks, bro? See downwards. It's like asteroids. Them are bombs, bro.
Bro, imagine remember it caught on fire last year?
Oh, that. Dude, it's like bombs, bro. It's launching missiles, bro. Oh, get some good footage. I hold my phone a certain way. It probably will catch on fire again. It depends. For a little, why is you scared?
What?
There's some good video footage from our channel. Where's one behind? Let's see this way. Let's see something. See the smoke, y'all? That's smoke from the firework. Y'all are missing some good ones, bro. She got the more than kids, bro. Oh, tickly. Look at the fireworks. Fireworks. might be a longer video until it ends. Might be longer, don't mind me. Like 14. I was 13 last year, obviously. Sorry to point that out. I don't know, guys. It's been tough times. Like a bunker buster, y'all. Chat. Oh my god. Recent politicians who. You guys wanna watch some old like shows that see what they made? They had that special effect explosion like that. They used to use fireworks. That's a big kaboinga. You guys are playing FNAF 5 at the Ambro, like each night. It's like a like that. I might play once I get a computer or something like that, some stuff. I might play Secret of the Mimic. I already know it's out. Please, I'll play it. Yeah. Corey, video. Please play Secret of the Mimic, because yeah. I don't know. I watched Fusion play it. I watched Fusion, Daco, Rexter, other people. Maybe poor attention plays Secret of the Mimic. That's a big boy. I'm just going until my camera footage dies off, so I'll be lucky this isn't corrupt, because you know how long it is. I brought my dog. Well, it's not my dog, my sister's dog. She's friendly. I might have to get some photos and put them in.
Maybe they're popping really low.
Put some of them popping low. My sister said it's not good.
Those ones are
Hold on, guys. I gotta show you what I made. Just made it today. Here, I'll show you guys. Hold on. There's a magnet in this, so it doesn't interfere with it. We have this thing here. That works fine. I'm pretty sick, y'all. Some kids aren't playing football, bro. Man, I think football, bro. Ooh, shit, got nice. You guys remember Half Face? Fucking Batman. Ooh, fucking a motorcycle, bro. Yes, I do curse a lot. So don't ask what. Is that a 19 for 11? I don't know. Guys, please play back the footage and see what that was. I'm playing my Minecraft. I can play Minecraft. Sorry I'm not talking, I'm just like, you know, enjoying the moment. There's some loud popping noises. You guys fucking hear me, but yeah. It's a big one. I'm gonna stop talking and you guys can hear the rest. Oh, see that one? I'll stop talking, but I'll talk once in a while. Check, check. Ooh, that one. Ooh, I don't know if you guys didn't see that. It's like a glowing part that like went all the way down, but then faded, bro. Dude, you guys see it? It was something like that, it went all the way down. Dude, it's like asteroids. Did you go to Final Destination 6? See if I can zoom in, see if I can see. So it's darker. Well, it's like getting dark, but you see that? It's on smoke already, gosh. Oh, you guys see that one? nice little kid. Oh guys, hold on. I'm gonna have to crouch down for this because so I can get a better angle. So like I'm fidgeting with my thing I made. The nail shot out the thing, so it's like a secondary nail. It's supposed to hammer it in place, but it fired out my couch. I found the nail. I have tons of cats. They're not bad, you know. Body check. I mean, I'll check. I'll tell you how it fit in a minute, but. Kids headset, bro. I just play basketball, football. I don't play golf. My grandpa used to play golf. My great grandpa. I might play golf. And maybe make a video on that, like made a video called playing golf. So yes, the water gun fight video is confirmed. The release date is, I haven't got an official release date, but this is a temporary release date. Release date is going to be of 6/25 of this year, so probably June 25th or somewhere in July. Maybe like a July 4th special. He's shooting on fireworks and stuff, so yeah. I had to record this so y'all see, because this is like Juneteenth, bro. I had to make sure you guys seen this because you guys really like the footage, bro. Good footage, y'all. I mean, I don't have any bars because I have to pay for stuff like that, and I don't have any phone bars, so I can't, you know, work from home and stuff like that. I mean, I can work at home. This means, like, I don't have any bars on my phone, so, because, you know, whatever service took my bars away from me, so I had to pay for cellular or stuff like that. That's so annoying, but gotta pay the phone bill once in a while. And I can still play games and stuff. I have like an iPhone 11 I'm recording on. I have Fortnite on here. I have to like hook up my account. But once I do, you guys will see some Fortnite videos. I mean, one time before, like 2021, 2022, whenever, I was playing Fortnite and, dude, me as the last person alive, bro. I got a tent from one of the updates. I hit it, I tricked him, and then I couldn't the last one for the storm, so I had to keep moving because of the storm. Eventually, I killed him and I won. I bet them kids, bro, watching me like, how the fuck did you do that? I'm like, oh, boy, I'm good at Fortnite, bro. One time I was in Dallas, Texas, around 2021 to 2. Well, every summer of that year, but yeah. It was pretty fun. I hang out with my cousins, bro. We used to wrestle on the trampoline. Pretty fun. Had a water balloon fight. Had lots of fun. Dude, one time, bro, a firework accident, bro, like something at a house, bro. Down there in Dallas, Texas, I swear, bro. There's like a helicopter flying over us, bro. And like, he's like the one guy, uncle, whatever it is, bro. And sister Mari said, "Oh, I'm blowing her after you." Cause we were like jumping around and stuff. It was funny as hell. I'm used to it. Yo, Mari. Yo, Gert. Yo, Gert, what's up? Hey, yo, Gert. Hi, Gert. Wanna record a video? Maybe like a TikTok? I'm recording a YouTube video right now, so. These nice ass colors. Listen, I had to get my belt because I don't want my crack showing, so. I mean, that is just close to information you're not what I just said. That with them cracks and shit. I got my frontal view. You see, I have a direct spot. I don't know if my sister's music faintly, but it's good footage. I don't know when, but like I said, temporary date is June 25th. And if once I get popular and stuff like that, oh, we're fine. Well, hold on, see. These boys are low, damn. Aren't fireworks so beautiful? You see all that smoke? You guys probably can't even see it. See all that smoke, y'all? She said the missiles on Iran. I'm like, flash on. What's this? Probably something else. Dude, guys, what are we looking at? Ah! Something stupid, y'all. I'm wearing a belt, that's why. Make the last. I learned to do what the same in the way. Cause I run. See me, keep on speed me up. Speed me up. Oofa doofa boosa. I'm saying random shit now, okay? Life is good. Hey Mario, want to say a couple words to the camera? Want to say a couple words to the chat?
No.
Here's my sister. You probably can't see her, but yeah, she's there. There she is. Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Oh, she has a TikTok. Please tell her your TikTok, everyone.
Oh, my TikTok?
Yeah, she has
my TikTok is Freaky Geeky 2007.
You guys probably can see that, but yeah, if you heard that, then yeah, you can see it. Maybe once I end up, I might be moving soon. I don't know when, so yeah. Just a matter of when and where. I'll make money off of this, so. Yeah, my dog is something. Not my dog, my sister's dog. You know what I'm saying? Oh. I'll percent my battery pack. Making some good videos. Little. Oh, hi, little. You can't see my dog, but there's a dog I'll be seeing right now. My dog's running, bro, huh? Hey, you guys see her? Oh, yeah, you see a little dog right there? Yo, chat, we got the dog. What the fuck? Yo, chat, finale? Chat, finale. Oh, shit, 9/11. Iran war. 9/11. Osama bin Laden. Oh, hell no. No, it's 9/11. Run for your life. Take cover. It's Osama bin Laden. Run for your life. Oh, man. Oh, YouTube, please take this video down. You know I'm joking around. Oh, I'm gonna get banned. Oh, fuck. YouTube, please terminate my channel. You know I'm joking around, YouTube. Ah! You guys probably hear this shit right now. Dude, my dog is scared as hell. Oh my god, like, I look at my sister right now, bro. God damn, bro. Is it over? You're not screaming? Oh, chat, it's over.